The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Bioli Medical Wellness Resort located in Gori will host its guests with renovated services this year. As Tamas Chedlidze, the founder of Bioli, told Daje, demand growth has been observed from local customers. As for foreign guests, the resort has hosted 97 country citizens since its launch. According to Tamas Chedlidze, despite that tourists recovered last year, 2021 was more interesting for Bioli, as demand was rather high on medical wellness rest amid the pandemic. As the founder of the hotel notes, they have actually halved the cost of accommodations for Georgian citizens. Tamas Chedlidze explains that the price of accommodation at the resort depends on variety of procedures and services. Bioli Wellness Resort, located a 20-minute drive from Tbilisi, offers guests various wellness procedures in ecologically clean environment. Tamas Chedlidze started creating the Wellness Resort Bioli in 2005 in order to create a healthy life industry in the country, for which he has already invested $40 million USD. Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Tbilisi will be held this May for the first time after a 3-year delay due to the pandemic. The Fashion Week will take start on May 4, and both Georgian and foreign designers will present their fall-winter collections. According to Sofia Chkonia, founder of Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week Tbilisi, more than 50 international guests will attend the show. Especially for this event, buyers, owners and of leading showrooms, TV companies, photographers will come to Tbilisi. In addition, the Fashion Week will be attended by international representatives of Elle Magazine, Vogue, Sean Magazine, Forbes USA, The Guardian, Financial Times, New York Times, and etc. During the Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week, professionals, various masterclasses, exhibitions, panel discussions will be held by international fashion and art experts. In 2023, Factory Tbilisi will host the show. Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week is held since 2012. Clothes produced by Georgian designers belong to high-price segments, so the main share of the sales accounts for exports, as Georgian fashion houses declare. Local customers make up only a small part of the total consumption. According to the international sales manager of the Georgian fashion house Material, Georgians make up only 2–3% of the brand's customers. Along with high cost of products, it's also caused by the fact that Georgians avoid trading with e-commerce, as they prefer to fit the clothes on their body individually. According to Anna Webkhwadze, the collect store has been opened in Atoneli Street, where Material is also presented. She deeply hopes that the number of local buyers will increase. Designer Nina Zarku also talks about the lack of Georgian customers, as they are unable to purchase the product due to the high price. So the founder of Zarku brand plans to add a new affordable line of shoes in the near future. Design studio Daje, which produces environmentally friendly furniture, is planning to export their products. David Bochorishvili, the founder of the enterprise, told BMWG. According to him, the company is at the initial stage of development and they works on the production of children's furniture as well, for which European raw materials are used. Speaking on the Georgian market, the founder of Daje notes that their advantage on the competitive market is affordable prices. Daje furniture is sold online as well as in the furniture store Saba. Company Daje is operating on the market for a year and a half. The enterprise is located on Kakheti Highway and employs 3 people. The annual turnover of the company is from 7 to 10,000 lari. Emocia Wines, which creates souvenirs on a Georgian wine theme from natural stones, bronze and marble, is planning to increase the export of its products. According to the founder Tamara Buladze, there is a high demand for souvenirs created on the theme of Georgian wine in the international market. As she told BMWG, it's important that the souvenirs made of natural stones visually resemble Georgian grapes as much as possible. Souvenirs of Emocia wines are already sold in several European countries, including Germany and France. Tamara Buladze notes that each souvenir is accompanied with passport in Georgian and English, which provides information about the history and winemaking of Georgia. As she notes, mostly representatives of the diplomatic sector are interested in their products. Company Emocia Wines was founded in 2020. In the local market, wine-themed souvenirs are sold at home concept store Lapota and Chateau Mere. Prices range from 89 lari to 290 lari. Handmade apparel brand Darbaiseli, which has resumed production after a 2-year break, makes modern clothes with elements of Georgian traditional headscarf Kabalakhi. The founder of the company, Natia, told BMW she started making modern Kabalakhi as a hobby in 2016. However, she had to stop production for 2 years due to the pandemic, and the company resumed taking orders in summer 2022. Realization of Kabalakhi is made from home as well as from chateaus. We actively cooperate with Sinandali. Darbaiseli tries to maintain average prices. For example, the price of Kabalakhi ranges from 100 to 250 lari. Each Kabalakhi is unique as they don't resemble each other. The number of orders is individual, but as usual, we make 10 pieces per week, explains Ketevan. Leading manufacturer and supplier of furniture components, LTB will open a new enterprise soon. Marketing manager of LTB, Mariam Abdushalishvili, says that the company will open a factory in Avchala. Construction works are at the final stage and the new enterprise will be ready soon. LTB pallet showroom will be also located in the enterprise. Marketing manager of LTB notes that the company is also actively working in the direction of electric commerce, and very soon their customers will be able to choose and purchase products online. Company LTB was founded in 2004 and offers customers a wide range of furniture components, frames and facade materials. Company Agrogardens planted apple orchards on 22 hectares in Gori village of Zerti with the financial support of Bank of Georgia. One of the priorities of the bank is business promotion and sanctioning of agricultural management in the region. The total cost of the project is 7 million lari. The bank's investment amounts to 5,300,000 lari. The bank's financial resources were spent for cultivation of seedlings as well as for the purchase and arrangement of agricultural equipment, hail protection and drip irrigation systems. The company started planting gardens in 2021. The first harvest is expected in 2023.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.